Shalom, this is Yehudit Goldfarb and Sfat. I want to share with you how I embody in movement my meditation for the 40 days of blessing after Shavuot up to the 17th of Tammuz. And I do this, the whole series comes from taking the word bracha, blessing, and taking it through a combination with all the nikudot for the entire tree of life, the Kabbalistic Tree of Life, from Keter down to Malchut. So we've done 2 days so far. One was the bet plus the Kamatz for Keter. One was the Reish. The second day was the Reish. This is the third day, which is the Chaf of bracha. So the letter Chaf, let me show it to you. There's 2 ways of doing it, but one is stepping back and forming it just with your hands. And then I do it, if I do it continuously as a letter, I bring my hands back, and the palms, one's facing up, one's facing down, and then I bring my back hand around as this hand turns over, and I turn again. So that's a Chaf. Bracha. If I were to do it on this side, I'm going to get a little farther back, maybe you can see it, more of it. If I step back my right foot, then I change which hand is forward. So my top hand turns over, my back hand comes up by my shoulder, it pushes forward, both hands face down. I turn my front hand up, so the upper hand faces the ground, the lower hand faces the sky. My body turns slightly. This is the Chaf. And this could be a sense of the kavanah. I'm thinking in terms of each of the letters of bracha represents one of the worlds. We'd now be in the world of sefirah, of the emotions, but it also is a level of soul. And this is like the level of the ruach level of soul. Even as it pairs up in this particular first 4 days of the count with Keter. Keter, his feet shoulder width apart. It's a kamatz. I bring my hands together back to back, point my fingers towards myself, come up, and then flatten the top. And Now if you take your time about it, you actually have a kamatz here with a wide horizontal line and a small vertical line. And then after you flip, it's the other way around. Keter is a sense of the eternal now, the eternal isness. Each moment is independent. It's actually the only reality that is. The rest is in the mind, the past and future in the mind. So this is, you make an sound at the top, Now I combine these, and as I combine them, I think of different parts of my body, bringing the energy of the Chaf combined with the Kamatz from the crown of my head for Keter, Chachma Bina, Hesed Gevura, Tiferet, Netzach Hod, Yesod, and Malchut is being in the center of my being, wherever you think that is for yourself, deep inside. Okay, so let's do it. I'm going to do it facing you. So I'm going to step back with my left foot, make a ha, close my feet and step to the right to make a kamatz, and go ha. Bring my foot to close. And And I do it to the other side. Stepping back right. Stepping to the left. That was for Chachma. First one was Keter, now I'm moving to Bina. That's it. Gevura. Sefirot. I'm going to stay on this side for Netzach, my right leg. Moving to the left for Hod. And then I'm going to stay on my left for Yesod. Just did the Kamatz. So that's because I was debating to go left or right for Yesod. I'm going to actually go to the right, do my Chaf, and then the Kamatz for Yesod. And for Malchut, I'm going to start the left. And then pause in Malchut, letting Hashem breathe me, bringing this in, integrating everything I've just done. Sensing Hashem's blessings in every moment. Becoming aware of that and thanking Hashem for the gifts at every moment. So thank you on this third day of the counting of the 40 days of blessing. May you have the blessing to be alive in a way in your emotional life that you see the blessings of every emotion you have, that you're able to, in the isness of the moment, feel it as a deep, deep blessing for yourself and others.